What is going on, guys? Welcome to Respiration TV, where I do product reviews and service reviews on just different things that will help people out and will benefit people. But today I'm going to be doing a product review on the Xbox One X. It is the newest console that is out right now, as of me speaking. I also, if you're interested in the Xbox One X or want to check it out, I will have a link down in the description to Amazon where you guys can check out the Xbox One X. Since I'm an affiliate as well with them, I'll get a small commission at no extra cost to you for every person who does end up purchasing an Xbox One X if you decide to do so. But today, to get into it, I got the Xbox Series X. It has 4K 120 FPS, 1 terabyte, 1.2 SSD. Let's see here. Some of the things that this comes with the standard Xbox. One thing that it says is the fastest, most powerful Xbox ever. Well, that's what they all say, you know, when they come out, of course. Till the next one, of course. Let's see. It says redefine speed with the Xbox Velocity architecture. Okay, so maybe I guess it's faster in some way. It says play thousands of games across 4 generations of Xbox. So you can play all your games on here as well. It says enjoy hundreds of high quality games, membership, all the basic stuff there on the side. Doesn't look like it has. Here's some of the specs on the side here. Everything that it includes and has 4K gaming at up to 120 FPS, which is pretty good. If you're looking for high quality, you know, gaming, you know, all that good stuff. Let's see, you got up to 8K high dynamic range, which ain't too bad either. That's pretty good for 8K HDR. You got the 1 terabyte solid state drive, as mentioned. 4K Blu-ray player. Yeah, that's basically the gist. Everything that your Xbox basically has, you know. Not much to really go into. I mean, let's pop her open and see what she looks like, of course. I can figure out how to get it open. Here we go. Here's a little sticker tab here. I don't know if this box just comes up or what. Hold on here. Maybe I think it slides out. Oh geez. Bear with me, guys. This box is being very difficult right now. And this is my first unboxing video. As you can tell, I'm not good with boxes. Hold on. Let's try flipping this upside down here. You know what it is? I didn't even see it. There's 2 more tabs to pull on the back that I didn't even see that are taped up. Okay. But yeah, as I said, if you guys want to check it out, you guys can use my Amazon affiliate link for any purchases you decide. It doesn't matter what you guys buy. I'll get a commission for it if you go through my link there. Which is awesome if you guys do. It's much appreciated. Alright, here we go. I think I got all the tags and stickers. We got one more here. Alright, we got it. Should lift up here now. Maybe. It's coming very slowly. Or lot of tape on there. There we go. Get the front casing cover off there. Oh, it's upside down. It's a nice black box. Alright. Now for the awesome part, to get into the black box. Okay. I like how they made these tabs. You can just pull them. They're not like actually taped on. You can literally, they have like a pull tab, which is pretty nice. Maybe that's why it's so much money, you know? Extra features. Alright. Now, what we've all been waiting for here. Well, maybe. I don't know. You might be waiting a little longer here. If I can. Now I just got to figure out how to get this part of the box open. Bear with me now. Oh, here we go. I think it just pops up from here. Yep. We got it. It's coming. It's coming. Oh my god, I'm going to end up breaking something. Alright, we gotta get it. No. I don't want to break the... son of a bitch. Gitch. I said gitch. Alright, here we go. Got the sticker off. Alright. Now to open it up. Ooh. Alright, now I gotta say, that is pretty freaking cool. Alright, I'm kind of sweating there. They got like its own... It's like it's propped up there, you know? It's all fancy smanchy like. It's just so weird. It's literally a box. Look at this thing. It's so freaking small. Try not to drop anything here. Alright, we're going to get this box out of the way here. So what we got here is the console itself wrapped up. So this thing, as you can see, is pretty small. I honestly didn't think it was going to be this small. But that is pretty awesome. It's less space that will be used. Alright, let's take that over there. Let's open this up. See what it looks like. Whoa! That is so cool! The fan even looks all... That's crazy. That's a big fan for at the top. It's like... It almost looks like a mini PC. It's a mini tower. That's crazy. Look at that. That's what they're making Xboxes nowadays. Freaking small. Get a closer look here for you guys. Like, look at that. That's what the fan looks like inside there. The fan is just inside there. On the top. That's crazy. And then right here in the front, you got the dish tray. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully. Get this closer for you guys. Yeah, it has a CD tray right here. There's a button. Looks like the sink. The on button. And then it has one USB port. One USB port. And then, let's see what we got here on the back. On the back here, we got two USB ports on the back here, and we got a internet internet port, power port, and an HDMI out port, along with a storage expansion. Some sort of storage expansion, like a card can go in there. I don't know if they're making something different for that or what. That's crazy. You might have a new storage for the Xbox. I don't think I've seen anything like that. It's very, yeah, it wasn't on the last Xbox. That's for sure. It's like it almost looks like an old, one of those old storage expansions. Look at that, you can see it right there. It's crazy, look how small that is. And I remember, I mean, I'm assuming you could probably plug in, of course, hard drives in it too, but like, I think they personally built their own sort of memory card. I could be wrong, I don't know. But I'm just going over with what I'm seeing now with you guys, what it looks like. Kind of just all the specs. Yeah, this is a nifty little thing here. Right. Yeah, if you guys want to check it out, go to the Amazon link like I have in the description. It's my Amazon affiliate link. If you decide to buy any other products, you'll also be helping me out if you decide to do that. Like I said, you can find the Xbox through the link I have down there below. And yeah, that's pretty much it for you guys. I hope you guys got the gist of what this looks like, you know, and kind of explained everything with you guys. You know, it's a pretty simple Xbox One X. It's not really much to it. But yeah, I hope you guys were interested. Hope you guys liked the video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for more videos. Peace.